Hello everyone, it's Adam here. So this is my DoubleTake mirror coming off the stock side mirror holder with a ram ball mount, and this is a GoPro remote holder which I got off eBay for like $5. I'm about to install the SW-Motech 66mm extension for BMW mirrors black. This one is there was two products I was looking at. I was looking at Alt-Rider's mirror extension, which just came out. I really wanted to get one of those. And then I had to do an order for Twisted Throttle anyway for another reason. So to qualify for free shipping, this was my add-on. So let's see what we got here as far as hardware. We got our mirror extension. We got two of these guys. So I'll put those out. And then we've got a bunch of little tiny bolts here. Here are our instructions. I'm going to read it with you actually. So look at the right side first, but that's fine. So you put the number 5 bolt down, then the bar itself, and you go ahead and mount 4, 3, and 6, and then you use the 7 washer to mount the other thing. So it should bring it out a little considerably. So let's remove the DoubleTake mirror here. I really crank these things down. But you know what, I did actually take this thing off. I used DoubleTake mirror all the way ratched down too, worked. So I'm going to remove this GoPro mount for now. Or GoPro remote mount. Right, so that's the right side. And you know which side is which based on the length of the part that actually connects to the mirror is longer. Interesting. So it actually impedes the reservoir here. And it actually might also slightly impede. If my hands are here, I might need to, because that, I can't do it, I'd use the other one. That definitely doesn't work. That's definitely the other side. So yeah, you can see here, these are my buttons for my cruise control, which I use quite often, flashers, and then brights back here, and then set and resume. And with this thing in place, well, I guess I'll put this down. With this in place, oops, I guess I can go out like that. But if I go over here, it's going to be hard to get to that. I've got, especially with gloves on. So it won't go as far out on the left side as on the right side. Well, the right side, I've got my heated grips, which I use constantly. Okay, that is compressed, not going anywhere. And for this side, we just need a, oh, they have this included cap here for niceties. That looks nice, fit and finish. Okay, so for the ram ball back in place, so pretty much all I can see when I'm off-roading, when I'm driving, is, that makes a huge difference actually, even the conservative angle that I used. So all I can see when I'm driving is my half of the mirror, even the DoubleTake mirrors that are pretty wide, is my shoulder here. So this is the usable area out there. This should greatly increase the amount, and actually it's so far out that it's going beyond the advanced handguards here, which means in a crash, this mirror will actually have to be forced to bend in, which is fine, but something to keep in mind there. Let's tow this down. That's it. Okay. So yeah, I mean, on the road we'll have to see how it looks. You'll be able to see my videos, just how far out the angle is. It'll take me a couple miles to get adjusted to it. Other side, I won't really videotape. It's solid. The only concern I'm going to have is around vibration. The DoubleTake mirrors induce a little bit of vibration over the stock. Just a little bit. It was worse on the oilhead GSA. The liquid cooled GSA, the vibration from the DoubleTake mirrors is far less. But you know, this being an extension here, it's going to have a little bit. Let me flip the camera so you get to see a little better. Now ignore the GoPro remote mount here, but you can see here it comes straight off here. Then you've got a locking nut right there. Then it comes back around. Ignore this thing because that's the GoPro mount again, and then through there. And then the other side, you can see how it's going to be organized. So it comes off like this. Is that right? Yeah, this way. Comes off like that, and then go out there. It's gonna be great. So let's I'll finish the other side, and then I'll show a final version of what it looks like. Okay, other side was like a 1 minute install once I got it going. So see how that comes much farther out, way beyond the handguards now, which is a concern of mine. But that is why they have the DoubleTake mirrors that do fold in and collapse, and they have impact. So with the OEM mirrors, keep in mind they're probably going to go farther out than the handguards on the GS. And here it is in place. Looks nice, nice fit and finish, solid aluminum here. And then, sorry, I've been sick this week. And then from this view, there we go. So much farther out. It almost looks alien. But it's going to be fantastic for touring. I mean, I really look forward to being able to see everything behind me versus limited view. I mean, I have very wide shoulders. I think I wear a 54, 52 jacket. Suit jacket. I'm only an XL as far as t-shirt sizes, but but my shoulders are super wide, so that's going to be something that's really, really awesome. But I think the thing looks great. I think it has a nice design to it. You know, again, I really can't. I really wanted to try the Alt-Rider. This is my first. I think it's my first SW-Motech product. I think. I'll have to get back to you on that one. Really great, fantastic. I mean, their stuff I always kind of saw as a lower cost option to a lot of the stuff like Alt-Rider, TourTech, Wonderlic. I mean, they're a lower cost provider, but this looks great. It's solid. It's not moving. That's the normal movement of the DoubleTake mirror, but it's tight. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And ride safe.